Alright, so we just rocked up home. The fucking beast. What's up, boys? So here it is, the Kaabo. Finally upgraded from this hunk of junk. Now everything about this thing is just quality. It's basically a dirt bike scooter. Now, I had a bit of trouble when I first tried to use it, as you'll see. First ride on this mother bleeping rig. Going on, why can't I go? But other than that, once I figured out that the power was basically turned off, I got going, and fuck, not gonna jump, don't even want to look at that thing. But I gotta clean it up and get rid of it, otherwise it's just a waste of money and someone else will enjoy it that doesn't have one of these. But yeah, I'll send you into the riding footage and then I'll come back. Holy! Not much traction, eh? Too much power. Lights are good. This thing is fucking insane, hey. Power. 50 up the hill. That is just nuts. So yeah, as you can see, absolute fucking blast and only on 50% power. Yeah, I need to adjust everything still, like these are low as hell. I might not even pick them up though, because I hate this, how this is so low. If anyone knows how to turn this into a throttle, fucking by means, leave a comment or post a video or something. Yeah, I don't really rate this finger for sure. If I did like that the Beast had a thumb control, a bit like the quad, but yeah, I wasn't going to get another dragon. They're just like, the Beast has the exact same head stem and it's literally relying on just a few bearings, and look at that wiggle. Like, that's not as tight as it should be, but this thing, zero head play. Feels like it's welded once you adjust that and figure all this out. The chain broke as soon as I put it in once I got home. But yeah, I'll probably either upgrade this to a bolt like Ginger on wheels, or put a tether, something here rather than this piece of crap. The brakes are so much better than these cable fucking things. Yeah, the horn's loud as shit. I'm definitely not pressing that. Lights are easy. The settings aren't the best. That's like the easiest to use, I think. Like these here definitely need an indicator or a light up or something, but I guess I'll just figure that out over time. And yeah, basically I'm gonna build a track in the backyard and start jumping this thing, see what I can do, because took this thing down to the BMX track and literally every jump, this feels like it's about to snap off and hit me in the back, or there's just literally no travel, and the front suspension deflects up everything because I'm assuming it's just a spring. Like, I don't even know if there's a shock in there or not, or what the hell that piece of junk is, but yeah, this thing's got the true blue suspension. Don't really know why there's no adjustments. I was thinking about hitting up a suspension guy that did my motocross bike and see what he thinks about this suspension, but who knows what this thing will end up being or how long it'll last. I don't know what it's like jumping one. Don't know how far I'm gonna jump. I want to go as far as I can with this thing. Still got my motocross gear. Not sure about boots though, how boots would go on this. Probably wouldn't wear motocross boots. Maybe if anyone can recommend anything, what they wear. It's for the dirt though, off-road. Yeah. If you guys want a comparison video between these two, leave a comment. Yeah, this thing's just, it was great when I first got it. Thought it was amazing, but like, it can't really get up very steep hills. Like, my driveway is about 15%, 15 degrees, and yeah, it can't get up it. But this thing, far out, it'll get up anything. So yeah, this is just my initial first impressions. I love it. It was as good as everyone says on the internet, if not better, like crazier than I thought. And yeah, can't wait to see what it can do. I noticed there's actually not a great deal of traction on the dirt, so mainly for, like, even with me on it, it didn't really seem to get much traction, mainly the small tires, not very wide. So I guess I'm just gonna have to build the track pretty hard pack, and yeah, probably play with the settings. Not sure about power or torque yet. 75% torque seems a bit hectic on the dirt, just spins, so maybe try 50% tomorrow. And yeah, it's fucking gonna be a blast out here. Can't wait to show you guys the track, and yeah, leave a like and even consider subscribing if you want to see what I get up to on this thing.